Meanwhile, several House Solons expressed support to President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s declaration of a state of national calamity, especially with possibility of a super typhoon entering the country. Tingog Party List Representative Jude Asidre emphasized the importance of preparedness and government response to every disaster. The Tingog Party List already extended assistance to those affected by Tino. They are also preparing for another round of relief operations with a looming typhoon. Meanwhile, in Metro Manila, preparations are underway. According to Navota City Representative Toby Tiangco, they are also ready for any eventuality while hoping the typhoon passes far from the national capital region.
We're confident na unwood at syempre as long as ayos yung navigational gate namin, we hope to be able to manage it. No? Kaya lang naman kami nagkakaproblema ng malaki kung sira yung navigational gate. But every day, minomonitor ko, ayos naman yung navigational gate.
We're preparing already. We already did inventory of whatever we have at the moment. And then we've also reached out to some of our partners, probably even more in the coming weeks, making sure that in case man nangyari, available at mabilisan pang response natin, as what we've been doing in the past years.